Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupon. Well, thank you for selecting this video. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. And those of you that are already subscribed, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Well, I'm going to be sharing with you the best deals for CVS that we're expecting the first Sunday of November already. There's so many good deals. A lot of them are freebies, but some of those freebies are if you have those the card that the coupons that you get when you scan your card at the red box machine. Also, before we get started, there's so many good offers that may include Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, and ShopKick. So if you need those apps, there's my referral codes are there, and usually you get some type of incentive. Also, I include a ShopKick app because it's one that I really like. Every time I walk to a store, just for walking in, I get points, and those points transfer to free gift cards. So let's just get started. The first deal is for TRESemmé. This one you don't get any ECBs. Everybody's gonna get an instant coupon, so make sure you do scan your card in the red box machine. So you buy two, it will be $10. You can use that coupon, deducting 5, and also that instant coupon, deducting 2. You pay 3 in the register. You don't get any ECB, so it's $1.50 each. This is a good deal because this is the cash card, and you can mix and match. And those are the best offers that I was able to put together. So what you could do is get 3 Pantene, a Tide, the Fling, the Gain Fling, and the Honey Nut, the Cheerios. So that will come to a total of $29.88, a little bit under $30. So what you do need is the P&G coupon for the Pantene, deducting 5. If you have any coupon for CVS hair or for CVS coupon specifically for hair or for Pantene, I've seen a few that it will deduct $4. So if you have that, it will be even a good deal. Also, the CVS app has for the pods and the Fling, one for $2, one for $3. And also for the Cheerios, there's a coupon deducting $1. So you will pay $14.88, but you'll get back $10 in cash card, making it $4.88 for everything, or just 70 cents each. Remember, this is just an idea, but you can mix and match depending on your needs and what are those items that you probably have a coupon for or you really want to buy. But this is just an idea that you could mix and match, and you will see that is really worth it, especially getting the cash card. The next thing I'm going to be showing you is different scenarios for like St. Ives, Caress, and Suave. Remember that this is only a limit of 1, but these are different ideas that I'm showing you in case there is one that you're really interested in. So the first one, so you buy 2 of the Caress and 2 of the Suave. The total come out to $19.36. You could use 2 coupons for the Suave, deducting $1 each, and you could use a coupon for the Caress, deducting $3. If you have a coupon that printed from the red box machine, especially for body wash, it will be a really good deal. So you could use the one I've seen more is deducting 3 of 10. So you pay $11.36, but you get back 10 ECB. And don't forget that Caress does have some offers. So you get back $1.50 for each Caress, making it free, and $1.64 moneymaker. Another idea is buying 4 in the St. Ives for $4.99 for the body wash. The total will be $19.96. But you can only use 2 coupons because the limit is for 2. But if you have that body wash coupon from the red box machine, it will be a good deal too. So you'll pay $14.96 with those coupons. You get back 10 ECB, but you could submit it to checkout 51. But this is I'm doing this on Wednesday night, so we don't know if it's still going to be available on Thursday. So if it is, you could submit it to checkout 51. You get back $3 cash back, $3 in cash back, making it $1.96 or just 49 cents each. Another idea is getting the body wash and the face wash. So you get 2 of each. So the total will come out to $19.56. Use 2 coupons since you only could use 2, but also use that body wash if you have it from CVS. So you'll pay in the register $14.56. You get back 10 ECB, but you can submit it to checkout 51 for the body wash. They'll give you back $2, but also Fetch Rewards has points for face items, so you get back 1,000 points when you buy 2. So your total will come out to $256 plus 1,000 points for the Fetch reward, or just 64 cents each. Another idea is, remember, keep in mind that checkout 51 does changes on Thursday. So if this is available, then this will be a really good deal. So you buy 2 of the Caress and 1 of the St. Ives. So you will reach $19.77. You use 2 coupons. Use 1 coupon for the St. Ives and one coupon for the Caress. And if you have that body wash coupon from CVS, you can use that as well. So you pay $13.77. You get back 10 ECB, but you can submit it to checkout 51, 1 for the St. Ives for the face item, and then to Ibotta you can submit it for the Caress, making it free and 23 cents moneymaker. The last option that I have is getting the St. Ives cleansing stick. Also keep in mind, check if this offer is still available in checkout 51. So if it is, you could buy 2 for $9.79. So your total come out to $19.58. Use 2 coupons that we're expecting this Sunday. And if you have any facial coupons, you could use that as well. So you pay $14.58, but you get back 10 ECB. Submit it to checkout 51 if it's available for the cleansing stick. So you get $3 for each item. So you get back $6. So it will be free and $1.42 moneymaker. So these are different options for you to choose from. So just check what is in your app, if you have it available, and what coupons do you have. And you'll see that there's many to choose from. This is a great deal, but if you have that coupon that printed last week for Colgate deducting 2 off 7, this will be a big money maker, but I didn't include it on this offer in case, and it's still a pretty good deal. So just buy 2 of the Colgate total for $3.49, so that'll be $6.98. Use 2 coupons that we're expecting this Sunday, so it's going to be $2 each. So you pay $2.98, but you get back 4 ECB in total, making it free and $1.02 moneymaker. But if you do have that coupon deducting 2, it will be a nice moneymaker. Another great deal will be the Colgate mouthwash. In this case, I am showing that coupon that did get that printed last week. So what you could do is buy 2 mouthwash for a total of $6.98. Use 2 coupon expecting as well for this Sunday, and that coupon that printed deducting 2. You pay $2.98, but you get back $1 ECB for each item, so that's a total of 2, making it just free and 2 cents moneymaker. Here's an idea for Covergirl. What you could do is get the liner and the brow pencil in case you don't mind getting an item that is a lot of people do have, but this is an idea. You could get the eyeliner, the brow pencil. The total will be $11.38. You could use 2 coupons deducting $3 each. So you pay $5.38, you get back 5 ECB, which it will be 38 cents or just 19 cents each. But if you don't mind getting the same items just to get a moneymaker, here's the deal idea. Just get 2 of the brow pencils. You pay $9.18. Use 2 coupons deducting 3. So you pay $3.18 in the register. You get back 5 ECB, and it will be free and $1.82 moneymaker. So what you could do is buy 1 of the Skin Calming, which is the one that is 8 ounce for $8.79, and 2 of the Intense Repair that's 5 ounce. No, I think it's a little smaller for $5.99. So you buy 2 of those. Your total will be $20.77. So you use the $2 that will deduct the 8 ounce or larger. I think there's printables for that. If there is, I'm going to put them in the description box. And the one that deducts $1 is for anything that it does go to that ounce, the smaller size. If you have a CVS lotion coupon, you can use it as well. So with those coupons, you pay $15.77, but you get back 10 ECB, making it $5.77 or just $1.92 each. The deal is for Playtex anything and stay free. So what I was able to find was the sports for $5.29. It is buy 1 get 1 50% off, so you could buy 3. So you can see that one of them is going to be at the special price. So in total will be $13.22, but you do need to reach $12. You could use a coupon that is going to be sent to the app. I haven't seen it in the app yet, but it should be available on Sunday. There is also a printable that it should be able to be good for that other item. And if you have those coupons that we normally get for pads, you could use it as well. You pay $7.22, you'll get back 3 ECB, making it $4.22 or just $1.41 each. Almay is going to be just buy one, get one 50% off. There won't be no ECB. So the only thing I was able to find that's going to be a good deal is Build Your Squad. Is a palette that is empty, but inside you could put those quads in there and it holds 3. I seen it for $3.99. I only seen it in one store so far, but if it is, you could buy 2. So it'll be $5.99. There is a mystery coupon that we're expecting this Sunday. So let's say it's $3. You pay $2.99 using that coupon, and the total will be $1.49 each. So for the Physicians Formula, I wanted to show you the difference between if you have a coupon that has to do with cosmetics that some people get when they scan their card in the red box machine. But if you don't have it, it will be 99 cents. So you buy 2 of the liner for $5.99. You pay $11.98, but you get back 10 ECB, making it $1.98 or just 99 cents each. But if you do have that coupon deducting 2 of 12 for cosmetics, it will make it free and $1.02 money maker. So this is a very easy deal for the LA Girl nail gift set. Is for $4.99. Everybody's gonna get a $3 ECB. If you do this purchase, you don't need any coupons, so you'll come out to $1.99. This is a really nice deal, and if you have any CVS coupons that is for vitamins, it will be even better. So this is, you could just mix and match whatever you find in your store, whatever you need. So I selected the vitamin E oil and the vitamin B2, so it reached $19.28. Sometimes in the store I've seen some for $7, so that would be even better. So you don't need any coupons, but if you have that CVS, it will be really good. You will get back 10 ECB, and for this it will be $9.28 or just $4.64 each. This is a good deal as well for the Puffs 48 count. It will be for 99 cents. There is a coupon on the P&G, so you could use that coupon. You'll pay 49 cents. There's no ECB, so that will be your final price. There is this deal going on for specific items like Maybelline, L'Oreal. If you spend $20, instantly they will reduce $5. I didn't reach 20, but just keep that in mind if you do any Maybelline deal. This one is for the lipstick and the single, and it will come out to just $2.24 each. I'm going to show you another scenario. For example, you could buy the mascara and a single shadow. It will be $9.98. Use 2 coupons, so you'll pay $6.98. You get back 5 ECB, making it 99 cents. But if you do purchase anything from those items mentioned, don't forget that it qualifies for those 5 deduction instantly. So here's an idea. You could buy 5 of the L'Oreal hair, but remember this is only on Sunday because the coupon expires on Sunday. And I think you could only use 1. So if you buy 5, it will be $20.64. So that means we already reached the $20 for us to qualify to deduct those $5. So then you could get use the coupon for $3. The CVS app has one for the L'Oreal hair, the coupon that I mentioned, and also if you have any other CVS hair as well, so you pay 8, you get back 5 ECB, making it 54 cents each. But remember, you can mix and match, and this was just an idea that you could actually do reach 20 to be able to save those $5. So you can see there's many great deals coming up this Sunday, a lot of good freebies depending on those coupons that you do have. Sometimes I do notice that I scan my card for CVS on Sunday, but then during the week, more coupons are shown in my account. So then I go ahead and I scan my card again in the middle of the week or sometimes on Saturday. So just be on the lookout that you might have more coupons that you might be able to use to some of these deals. I'm going to provide the printables in the description box. Don't forget to link to those apps and verify your apps so you could be ready. I also created a spreadsheet that's going to show you how you could add and create your list. You could add it for you. All that's going to be in the description box. So I really appreciate your support and watching this video. You could subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.